What's up, my name is TechNobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install the new EA Desktop Beta that's currently in open beta. Previously I did a video for this, it was incredibly popular, but that was for the closed beta where you had to sign up for a key to get access to it. Now it's in public open beta and you can go ahead and download it. So how do we do it? Well, in the description down below, you'll find a link to ea.com/ea-desktop-beta. When you get to this page, you'll find some information about the program and FAQs, but all that we need to do is simply click the download button on the left-hand side. EA Desktop Installer.exe will be downloaded. Click on it to open it up, and it'll simply install in the background. Of course, I needed to give it admin there, but it's running through the installation right now, and it installs pretty easily. As for moving your games across from Origin to EA Desktop, there's absolutely nothing that you need to do. It simply just detects the games as long as you just try and open it up. All of your games that are on your library, etc. should all still be here. So I'll simply log in, and after signing in, the window will vanish, then you'll see the main window over here. As you can see, I've already run this before, so I do have a couple of recently played games over here, such as Star Wars Battlefront 2 and Apex Legends. I do really like the video/image background that they have behind these games, time played, last played, etc, etc. It's a really nice change that they bring into the platform, and it's breathing new life into it. Heading across to the home section over here, you'll see some trending games and the rest that aren't necessarily yours, but are available on the EA Store or through EA Play. You know which games are available on EA Play with the little icon in the top left. If I head across to the Browse section, it's once again the store, but it should be a more complete list of games on the store with up to 5 pages currently and 147 results at the time of recording. Having a look at the My Collection page over here, you see games that actually belong to your account. Free games and paid games will appear here, and I really like the way that they're laying it out, though it could get a bit annoying when you get a lot of games on this platform, though for most people that will probably only be far in the future, if at all. So for right now, it's pretty good. You can of course click on games, where you get the opportunity to download and install them, or simply update them if you already have them installed. As for the downloading section, it is still in the bottom left and things do look mostly the same, though you do have a much better download manager and queue over here. But of course, without going into too much of a platform breakdown, you now know how to install the new EA Desktop Beta and use it. Of course, if you'd like to uninstall it or simply use normal Origin, all you have to do is completely close out of it by clicking the hamburger button in the top left, followed by exit. Then, after you launch up Origin, things will be exactly the same there. If you updated a game here, it'll be updated there. You can play them on either platform, though you can only have one running at a time as far as I know. And of course, if you uninstall this platform, you'll still have Origin installed. If you uninstall Origin, you'll still have EA Desktop. They're two completely separate things, though they do share the same game library, game selection, etc, etc. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!